I'm stuck with crying. It'll be alright.
Hi Isaac! Hello future leaders and our beloved coaches. Congratulations for passing this 3 months journey in Isaac Future Leaders program.
We as OC IFL Summer Peak want to say our gratitude and thanks
for all of your effort and participation in these past 2 months.
From the laughter we shared during bi-weekly session, bonding session, and special track,
to the countless times you've gone above and beyond
to ensure everything ran smoothly.
your impact has been profound.
you guys have brought people together,
Created lasting memories
and left a legacy that will continue to inspire us.
We do really hope you guys can get everything that you desire.
That you already said since the beginning from our program.
And remember, this is not a goodbye.
It's just the beginning of a new journey.
your presence will always be missed.
but your influence and the memories that we've created will stay with us forever.
Please keep in touch and know
That you will always have a home here with us.
We wish you all happiness, happiness, and fulfillment in this world.
May this next chapter bring you closer to your dreams.
May you shine wherever life takes you.
Until we meet again, future leaders.
Hoi Isaac! Hello everyone, I'm Coach BB and I'm the coaches of IFL Summer Peak 2025. If I didn't sign up to be a coach, I wouldn't experience the quiet but powerful moments that happen when people choose to grow and let you walk beside them. I wouldn't feel the joy of watching someone slowly gain confidence and then taking up space and start to believe in themselves. I wouldn't learn how much impact simple presence can bring. Just listening, holding space and showing up with care. And honestly, I wouldn't find a place that felt as warm, grounding, and real as the Giovanna. And I think that it wasn't just a group, but it really felt like home for me.
Hello, I am Coach Ashila and I am the coaches for IFL Summer Peak 25. Menjawab pertanyaan nomor 1, kalau misalkan aku tidak mendaftarkan diriku menjadi seorang coach di IFL, aku tidak akan merasakan gimana rasanya diam-diam bangga terhadap para coaches aku karena mereka berkembang melalui langkah-langkah kecil yang mereka ambil. Kemudian aku tidak akan merasakan hati yang hangat ketika aku menjadi salah satu bagian dalam perjalanan mereka di IFL. Kemudian menjadi seorang coach bukan cuma pengalaman. Kalau misalkan aku bukan coach di sini, mungkin aku tidak akan merasakan gimana tegangnya ketika aku harus provide materi ke mereka, gimana aku harus menanggapi keluhan-keluhan dan cerita-cerita kecil mereka dengan bijak. Kemudian menjawab pertanyaan nomor 2, sesuatu yang belum pernah aku sampaikan pada para coaches aku. Mungkin terlalu banyak yang belum aku sampaikan, tapi satu hal yang paling penting, terima kasih. Terima kasih sudah mendaftarkan kalian menjadi participants di IFL. Terima kasih sudah mempercayakan aku menjadi coach kalian. Dan ketahuilah setiap apapun yang kalian lakukan di sini itu sangat-sangat meaningful buatku dan aku bangga ketika kalian sudah melalui ini semua. Semoga di kehidupan selanjutnya aku tetap bisa menjadi seorang teman buat kalian, teman untuk cerita seperti di O2O session, seperti di coaching session, dan kita tetap menciptakan bonding di pertemuan-pertemuan selanjutnya.
Jujur aja nih ya, kalau aku nggak daftar jadi coach di sini, aku nggak bakal pernah ngerasain energi yang luar biasa dan semangat membara dari semua partisipan. Aku nggak bakal ngeca langsung gimana cara mereka berkembang dari yang awalnya itu lagu-lagu dan sekarang jadi PD luar biasa. Dan yang paling penting, aku nggak bakal pernah bisa ngerasain ikatan kekeluargaan yang kuat banget yang kebentuk dari sesama coach, OC, dan hampir semua partisipan. Dan ini ada sesuatu yang nggak bisa dinilai dengan apapun. Dan pastinya bagi saya itu benar-benar berharga. Aku sih bakal bilang bertumbuh. Ya, bertumbuh. Bukan cuma gimana para partisipan bisa upgrade skill mereka, tapi juga gimana cara aku sendiri bisa tumbuh sebagai coach. Aku belajar banyak hal baru, bisa memimpin diri sendiri dan orang lain, dan yang paling penting adalah belajar gimana caranya bikin orang lain bersemangat dan termotivasi. Dan ini adalah pengalaman yang bikin saya dan kita semua itu terus berkembang. Kalau aku disuruh merangkum AFL Summer Peak ini jadi dalam satu kata, aku bakal bilang transformasi. Jangan jujur ya, AFL Summer Peak itu udah mengubah banyak hal. Dari soft skill partisipan, gimana cara mereka berpikir, dan yang pastinya adalah pengalaman saya sebagai coach. Dan ini jadi perjalanan transformasi yang keren banget buat siapapun yang udah terlibat.
One word for AFL Summer Peak so far. So one word for AFL Summer Peak so far is heartwarming. Thank you.
What I'll miss? It'll be literally like everything. I'll miss the laughter during check-ins and then random inside jokes, the thoughtful silences, and all of the little you had to be there moments. I will miss the Javarda, my home group, a safe space where we could all just be ourselves, learn from each other and grow at our own pace. I'll miss how supported I felt, how seen, how trusted, and how connected we became over time, not because we had to, but because we chose to. I think that's all from me. Thank you and bye-bye.
Hi everyone, I'm Ratu, and here are some of my stories in IFL. So, one of the most memorable moments I had during IFL was definitely the final project. I worked with my home groups and I also worked with my OC's team for the final project. We gave it everything we had. We support each other, spent hours together, laughed, stressed out, and got tired. But honestly, it was one of the best experiences ever. This journey truly changed the way I see what a team can be. This journey taught me so much. I learned that facing your fears can actually be fun. At first, I had so many worries like, what if I can't do it? What if I can't fit in? But now, I think I'm not it. And joining IFL, one of the best decisions that I took. And last but not least, special thanks to my home group, Seven Lisius. Thank you for being my safe space for the worm that somehow always felt like home. IFL isn't the end, it's the beginning. Let's become the kind of the leaders who don't just lead, but embrace. Leaders who aren't afraid to say, I'm learning. And I hope we'll always carry the memory that once we grew together. Thanks IFL for being a part of this capture.
Hi guys, it's me Indah. So in this video, I will share you about my journey in IFL Summer Peak 2025. For the first question, what the most memorable that I have during IFL is when me and my team just starting working on for final project, because I just realized that moment so precisely and enjoyable moment that I have during IFL Summer Peak. And the first second question is the most thing that I'm learning. Don't be afraid to show what in you, to show what your best, because you scared about people talking on you. Because I just realized that the main character on your life is just you and you again. So keep cheer up and show your best and do your best. And for the last question is for Sixnity. I hope our friendship still continue and we can be the best support system for each other. See you on the top and bye bye.
The first, I want to talk about the most memorable thing during IFL Summer Peak 2025 is when my final project with my team met an education booth like can be useful for myself and then other. And also this is my first time I have opened an education booth like this. The second is that I got so much insight at IFL Summer Peak 2025, especially about leadership. Insight where leadership is not just about leading,
but either know each other more deeply. Lastly, I want to say thank you very much all my friends at IFL Summer Break 2025, especially my home group is home group 5 Ilmoria, because I can develop until now thanks to help all my friends at IFL Summer Break 2025. Love you guys.